1. An attractive and original 1983 Chrysler Cordoba is waiting for its new owner, priced at just $5,900. This car, painted in white with a tan interior, has only covered 90,430 miles and is currently available for purchase. The Chrysler Cordoba is a historic car that preserves its original beauty. Powered by a 318 cubic inches gasoline engine, this 5.2-liter V8 engine provides a reliable and confident ride. The car is equipped with new shocks, and it has undergone recent registration and emissions testing. This Cordoba epitomizes the high standards of 1983 cars, offering comfort and luxury with power windows, seats, and locks. The elegant color scheme of the exterior and interior design makes this car irresistible. Despite its age, the car makes a lasting impression and remains in good condition. The 1983 Chrysler Cordoba is not just a car, it's a piece of automotive history. Ready for new adventures, this Cordoba is seeking its new owner who appreciates the combination of style, reliability, and comfort. 2. A unique opportunity to become the owner of the iconic 1968 Chevrolet Malibu Classic for just $5,500. This car project, painted in brown, with a mileage of 123,400 miles, is ready to breathe new life into its future owner. The El Camino body has exceptionally straight lines, with the only sign of time being rust in the lower front fenders. Equipped with a 350 engine, this project occasionally hints at its capabilities through the exhaust smoke. Fitted with power glide and a 10-bolt differential, this car requires minor investments such as floor mats, door upholstery, and new seats. This 1968 Chevrolet Malibu project provides an excellent opportunity to make your own improvements and restore it to its former glory. The car is registered, and the seller has the title in hand. Your ideas and creative approach can turn this project into a unique vehicle while preserving its historical value. 3. A wonderful opportunity to acquire a 1977 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme for $8,000. This iconic car is currently available for you. It is in excellent condition, and although it doesn't have hydraulic lowering, it maintains a low stance, creating an impressive look. Upon inspection, the car reveals a minimal amount of rust in typical areas, emphasizing its good preservation. The interior requires attention, but is not in poor condition, providing an excellent opportunity for personal improvements. The original engine runs smoothly, instilling confidence in its reliability. However, the car needs technical maintenance to pass the emissions test, as the registration is due for the current year. Don't miss the chance to see this 1977 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme in person. Its distinctive style and potential for road adventures make it an excellent choice for collectors and vintage car enthusiasts. 4. A wonderful opportunity to acquire a 1973 Buick Century Luxus for $5,500. This stylish car is currently available for you. It is in excellent condition, and despite the need for carburetor adjustment, it is ready for rides. Having traveled 88,000 miles, this Buick Century Luxus has a history rich in adventures and now offers the new owner the opportunity to take the wheel. The exterior looks magnificent in white, and the white interior creates a cozy atmosphere. The automatic transmission provides comfortable control, and despite minor carburetor issues, the car is ready for movement. Note that wire wheels are not included in the sale. The owner claims that the car is paid for and has a clean title, and it does not have any significant damages or issues. Don't miss your chance to acquire this 1973 Buick Century Luxus and give it a new lease on life. 5. You have a unique opportunity to acquire a stylish 1978 Cadillac Coupe DeVille for only $4,750. This car is ready for new adventures and is currently available for you. The blue body color gives this Cadillac an expressive exterior. The car is equipped with a 425 cubic inch engine, which despite a few minor issues, is still ready to work. You just need to install the exhaust manifold on the right side of the engine. This Coupe DeVille has something special, a rare large sunroof that adds charm to its snowy white leather interior. Although the interior requires some cleaning, it promises to be a cozy place for the new owner. There is even a corresponding replacement for the steering column. New US Mags wheels and fresh Lexeni tires, which have not yet seen any miles, provide a stylish finish to this Cadillac. The exterior looks quite worthy, and with some effort, it can become a true gem. This car provides a unique opportunity to take control of some minor tasks and bring your dreams of a beautiful classic Cadillac to life. Don't miss your chance. 6. For $7,500, you can acquire a unique 1964 Plymouth Valiant that belonged to the seller's grandfather and has just rolled out of the garage after sitting on stands since the 90s. This Valiant, being a one-owner vehicle, becomes a part of your reality. The car has a mileage of 79,000 miles and a green body, giving it a distinctive style. It is powered by a slant-six engine paired with an automatic transmission. Over the decades, it remained non-functional, but with a new battery, all lights come to life, and the car is ready for a new chapter in its history. The package includes new tires and a variety of tuning parts, such as filters, spark plugs, a carburetor adjustment kit, a fuel pump, and more, left by the grandfather in the garage. You'll need to pick up the tools and bring this Valiant back to life, starting with changing fluids and old gas. Although the car is not currently running, it promises to be an interesting project for those willing to invest their energy and efforts into reviving this classic Plymouth Valiant. Apart from minor scratches and a single small dent in the rear, the car maintains its straight shape and a pleasant sound when you close the doors. The best offer will bring this car and all its additional elements, including filters, spark plugs, a carburetor adjustment kit, fuel pump, and other parts, under your full control. Don't miss your chance to revive this Plymouth Valiant and create your unique automotive path. 7. For $6,000, you have the opportunity to become the owner of the stunning 1967 Volvo Amazon Estate Wagon 122s, which has been carefully restored and is being sold at a significantly reduced price, only $6,000. This car is valued at $15,000, making it a true find. The Volvo Amazon is equipped with a B20 engine that has undergone thorough maintenance at Voltec. The car has a mileage of only 46,560 miles and is ready for a new chapter in its history. The engine has received a new carburetor, exhaust manifold full tuning, and numerous other updates, including fuel tank cleaning, new fuel, spark plugs, belt, oil change, and fuel filters replacement. It also features a fuel injection system for reliable starts. This Amazon is configured for comfort and style, with coilover suspension at the front and special 15x9 wheels. Your new car is lowered by 4.5 inches at the front and 3.5 inches at the rear, giving it an impressive look. Custom shocks are installed at the front to provide you with comfort and control on the road. Although the Amazon is not perfect and needs some cosmetic enhancements, such as new black carpeting and finishing of the A-pillar trim, these minor details cannot overshadow the magnificence of this car. Don't miss your chance to purchase this Volvo Amazon Estate Wagon 122s at the advantageous price of $6,000, which promises to be a highlight of your collection. 8. For a symbolic $2,000, you can become the proud owner of the unique 1980 Ford Fiesta S hatchback 4D, currently listed for sale. This car, affectionately named Kiwi by its previous owners, represents a true find, especially considering its history. With this Ford Fiesta, you're getting something special. Only 2 owners throughout its history, and it has traveled just 92,000 miles. Acquired from the original owners, the car was used for a few months before the engine gave out. Despite this drawback, this car is a real gem that is becoming increasingly hard to find. The exterior of this Fiesta boasts a distinctive green shade, making it stand out. However, it does show some hail damage. Despite this, the car promises to be a unique and memorable acquisition. So, if you're in the market for an affordable yet unique car that you can restore and make your own, this Ford Fiesta S hatchback 4D is worth your attention. Get it for the symbolic price of $2,000, and perhaps you can breathe a second life into it, turning it into a true collector's item. 9. Introducing the 1982 Pontiac Firebird, currently available for $6,000. This iconic car, painted in red, still possesses alluring character. However, despite its age, it needs some care and attention. Externally, rust is noticeable on the hood, requiring repair or replacement. There is also a minor dent on the rear bumper and some paint peeling. The wheel arches show signs of rust, but it's not too severe. Inside, the headliner fabric needs restoration, and the dome light is not working. However, the seats and floor are in excellent condition. Some electrical functions are not operational, including windows and door locks. The speedometer is broken. Despite the listed drawbacks, the car starts successfully and has traveled without issues from Camas to Lehigh. In the last year, new brakes, calipers, and nuts have been installed. With this Pontiac Firebird, you acquire a piece of automotive history that, with some investment, could once again become a gem in your collection. 10. Introducing the unique 1978 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, currently available for $16,500. This car, painted in an exquisite burgundy color with a black interior, is a true classic specimen ready for new adventures. With this Z28, you not only get external appeal, but also an enhanced engine that propels it forward. The 30/350 engine has been carefully inspected and updated, including a new Summit 1103 camshaft, Elgin lifters, new distributor shaft bearings, a double row chain with 2 rollers, an oil pump, and much more. The car is equipped with a 204R transmission with a TCI lockup kit and Bowdy overdrive mount. The 3/73 locking rear axle adds fantastic dynamic characteristics. Controlling this powerful car has become even easier with the new B&M console and a new cable. The interior has also received its share of attention, including a new carpet, ABS headliner, package tray, and triptych trim. New seats and a cooling system make the rides even more comfortable. This Camaro is not just a car, it's a true investment in style and performance. With a history of only 300 miles, it's ready for a new chapter in its automotive destiny.